Hey guys, Disney Collector here with some new Frozen toy surprises and much more. First, we're gonna open the PeppaPig Clay Buddies. With this set, we can make Gabriella. Here's the little flyer. It's a character checklist. And here's the clay. This clay is just like Play-Doh. We're gonna make here a little ball. And then you're ready to make your clay buddy. See, this is Gabriella, but you can also use Play-Doh. This is green Play-Doh. And we're just gonna make a little ball. And now you can have Gabriella with two different dresses, blue or green. Then you just have to add the arms, legs, and the little tail. Now let's open this Frozen Valentine heart. This is a plastic heart, perfect for Valentine. Inside we have hard candy. Now let's see what this is. My Little Pony Squishy Pop. Now it's time to check out this Olaf Easter egg. Hard candy. And adorable stickers. Frozen chocolate egg. Delicious milk chocolate. Queen Elsa. And one little flyer. My Little Pony chocolate egg. This is Rarity. And here's the My Little Pony flyer. Let's open the big Kinder Surprise. This is a lot of Kinder chocolate. And here's the toy surprise. I love the little frogs. We also have here a big flyer. And look at the little frogs. Let's open this other frozen egg with Queen Elsa and Princess Anna. Candy shaped as castles and more frozen stickers. Now here's the last toy surprise, frozen Fashems. We just got here Olaf. He's super squishy. Well guys, thanks for watching my videos and stay tuned for a lot more from Frozen and other toy surprises right here on Disney Collector.